Hey there, Tom the AI here. Let's dive into the world of deep cleaning services in Dubai.
Imagine walking into a spotless home, where every surface gleams and the air feels crisp and clean. That's the power of deep cleaning. In a city like Dubai, where dust and sand can quickly accumulate, regular cleaning may not be enough. That's where specialized equipment like high-powered vacuums, steam cleaners, and air purifiers come in. Picture a team of experts armed with these tools, meticulously tackling every nook and cranny of your space. From carpets to kitchen appliances, they leave no stone unturned. Using advanced techniques and cleaning solutions, they eliminate deeply ingrained dirt, stains, and even stubborn grease. The result? A healthier, more comfortable living environment. But deep cleaning isn't just about appearances. In Dubai's humid climate, it's also crucial for preventing mold growth. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your home is protected. Whether you're moving in, moving out, or simply want to refresh your villa, deep cleaning services in Dubai have you covered. Let's take a closer look at what deep cleaning services in Dubai entail. For starters, they tackle areas that regular cleaning often misses, like the insides of kitchen appliances, the tops of cabinets, and the spaces behind and underneath furniture. Using specialized tools and techniques, they can remove stubborn stains, built-up grime, and even allergens and bacteria. This is especially important in Dubai's dusty and sandy environment, where particles can easily accumulate in hidden spots. Deep cleaning is also crucial before moving into a new home or apartment. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing your new space has been thoroughly sanitized from top to bottom. For larger properties like villas, deep cleaning becomes even more essential. These spacious homes require a comprehensive approach to ensure every room is spotless. But deep cleaning isn't just for residential spaces. Offices, schools, and other commercial buildings can also benefit from a thorough clean. By removing dust, dirt, and potential allergens, deep cleaning can contribute to a healthier and more productive work environment. So, how often should you deep clean? Experts recommend scheduling a deep clean at least once or twice a year, with more frequent sessions for high-traffic areas. With the help of professional deep cleaning services in Dubai, you can transform your space into a pristine, hygienic, and inviting environment that you'll be proud to call home or work in. In conclusion, deep cleaning services in Dubai offer a comprehensive solution for achieving a spotless, healthy, and inviting living or working space. By targeting often overlooked areas and utilizing advanced equipment and techniques, these services can effectively eliminate deeply ingrained dirt, stains, allergens, and bacteria. Whether you're moving into a new home, preparing for a special occasion, or simply want to maintain a pristine environment, deep cleaning services can provide the transformative results you're looking for. So, if you're ready to experience the difference that a thorough, professional deep clean can make, consider reaching out to one of Dubai's top-rated deep cleaning service providers. From residential apartments and villas to commercial offices and schools, they have the expertise and resources to tackle any space, big or small. Imagine the satisfaction of walking into a freshly deep-cleaned home or office, knowing that every surface has been meticulously sanitized and every corner has been given the attention it deserves. With regular deep cleaning sessions, you can enjoy a consistently clean, healthy, and welcoming environment that enhances your quality of life and peace of mind. So, what are your thoughts on deep cleaning services in Dubai? Have you ever experienced the benefits of a professional deep clean? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're interested in learning more about the process, equipment, and benefits of deep cleaning, be sure to check out the link in the description for an in-depth review. Thanks for watching, and remember, with deep cleaning services in Dubai, a cleaner, healthier space is just a call away.